Hate saving pictures from Google Images one at a time? This new iPhone hack is for you. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you a trick to save multiple images from Google all at once. Now let's get started. To begin, open Safari on your iPhone and search Google Images for something you'd like to save pictures of. Find the first photo you want to save and hold it down with one finger. With another finger, tap any other images you also want to save. While continuing to hold your stack of images, open your Photos app. Once it's open, you can let go of your stack of images and they'll be saved to your camera roll. That's all it takes to save multiple Google Images all at once on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.